Simple Japanese secret. Wrinkles disappear at 70. Cheap and effective. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks channel. Today, we're turning familiar kitchen ingredients, from refreshing cucumbers, fragrant parsley, soothing milk to moisturizing aloe vera gel, into a natural at-home skincare regimen. Not only do these recipes help your skin look radiant and youthful, they're also incredibly convenient. Easy to make and can also make use of leftovers that you usually throw away. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. I used 1 cucumber. Grate the cucumber. Guys, write in the comments where are you watching from? After grating, filter to get the cucumber juice. Filter the juice through a sieve. Squeeze out all the juice. Don't throw away the peel. We also need cucumber peels. Put the shell in the blender and wait. Set aside. Next, I used a bunch of parsley. Cut into small pieces. Put the parsley in the blender. $200 milliliters of water. Puree. Strain the mixture through a sieve. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Squeeze out the juice. The residue is also retained. We will make a skin mask from this leftover. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Can be used to remove makeup. 2 tablespoons milk into the pulp. Fresh milk is very good for skin care. Apply cucumber mask on skin. And let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Next, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to the cucumber peel juice mixture. Pour it into a handy bottle. Apply to cleansed skin twice daily. Store in refrigerator for up to 1 month. We will make facial cream. Add 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice. Add 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E. Mix well. Keep your skin youthful and radiant. Before use, wash skin. Apply cucumber mask evenly on skin. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Put in a convenient bottle. If you find it useful, don't forget to leave a comment and share it with your friends. Your share can help many people. Please subscribe to the channel to support me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.